Morocco, and this is legit. Okay, everyone back home. We are in some big Medina Square in Morocco. We're not lost anymore, we think. This is us attempting to cross a Morocco street. People are going around us. There's a mosque.
Inside my home.
We're headed to a palace.
And when I feel it, I better run. Oh, I better run. I don't know if we'll make it through this one.
We've had our first souk bargaining experience. It was actually our third time. Third store. It was our third store.
Oh, yeah.
Fourth store. We're not sure if we got ripped off or not, but oh well. We got a genie lamp in this shirt at the souks today. Did I get ripped off? I'm not sure. But it was like $20 total for all of this. So I think that's a good deal for the shirt. I'm not sure about this dollar store thing, but oh well. Here in this Moroccan village called Ait Benhaddou, I think. View. We're in a car for a very long time today, but we finally made it somewhere. We're the only people here at this hotel, and it's gonna be interesting. Hey everyone, we're going to the desert tomorrow. David, which desert?
The Sahara.
The real deal now.
Wait, don't go! I can see that you're only interested in the exceptionally rare. I think then you will be most rewarded to consider this. Do not be fooled by his commonplace appearance. Like so many things, it is not what is outside, but what is inside that counts.
the Sahara Dunes. Hey everyone at home, we have a fun fact to tell you. This is Morocco. That's Algeria. We're on the border of countries I never thought I'd be at. See, on the other side of the dune, we're like 95% sure that's Algeria. We're gonna run back down the Sahara Desert.